our institution has made a transition to a polytechnic, and it might beg the question, so what is the role of arts, humanities, and social sciences? And I can tell you that it is a strong focus for this institution going forward. I think that viewing these kinds of programs through the lens of a polytechnic is really important for us. I believe that as we think about what our society and our economy needs, we need creative minds, we need people who have that kind of skill set and can invent and can be creative.